Unlock your artistic potential and transform your creative process as we dive into the powerful Canvas feature of Higgsfield AI. First, let's access the canvas. Once you've launched Higgsfield AI, navigate to the main dashboard. You'll find a prominent Canvas option. Click or tap on this to enter the digital workspace. Upon entering the canvas, you're presented with a pristine digital space ready for your imagination. On the periphery, you'll see an array of intuitive tools designed to empower your artistic journey. Think of this as your digital sketchpad, but with the intelligence of AI at your fingertips. Begin by selecting your preferred brush. Higgsfield AI offers a variety of brush types, from delicate watercolors to bold oils, each with customizable settings for size, opacity, and texture. Experiment with different brushes to find the perfect stroke for your vision. Color is key to bringing your art to life. Use the integrated color palette to select and blend hues. You can pick from preset palettes or create your own custom colors. Don't be afraid to play with gradients and color transitions to add depth and mood. Now, let's harness the power of AI. Notice the prompt input field here. You can describe the elements you wish to generate or enhance. For instance, type misty mountain range or futuristic cityscape, and watch as the AI begins to interpret your words. The AI will then generate visuals based on your prompt, intelligently weaving them into your existing artwork. You have control over how the AI integrates these elements, allowing for seamless blending or striking contrast, depending on your desired effect. Once generated, these AI-powered elements aren't static. You can manipulate them just like any other element on your canvas. Resize, rotate, adjust their opacity, or even apply further AI enhancements to refine the details. The true magic lies in the synergy between your manual artistic input and the AI's generative capabilities. Blend your unique style with AI-driven creativity to produce truly original and stunning digital art that pushes the boundaries of your imagination. With Higgsfield AI Canvas, you're not just creating art. You're collaborating with an intelligent tool to bring your most ambitious creative visions to life with unparalleled ease and innovation.